did not retire.
Colleagues in the Lagos State Cabinet, serving and retired, very many top private sector operators, captains of industry that are here, businessmen and women, would-be tenants and house owners in this luxurious Makarios grounds. You want to give yourself a big round of applause? So the first step in a series of several things that I'm sure is going to happen here. And other pastors that are in the house, I acknowledge all of you individually and collectively. First, let me apologize. On a Sunday evening, you will have choices, but you've chosen to be part of this event deliberately, and you've chosen to be this patient with us. And the other observation is, I'm sure a year ago, I probably would not have imagined that I would make this journey in about an hour, all the way from Marina. But today, and I'm sure all of you are passing this place for the first time, and you can see the extent and amount of improvement that we've done to this. It goes all the way to the free zone, and it goes all the way to Epe, and it is really so smooth, and we haven't even completed it because there are still no traffic lights or street lights yet, and it's still work in progress. And I'm sure by the time you come back in another 4 to 6 months, you'll be amazed as into what we've actually truly turned this place into. So we're still work in progress. It's not about just Lagos State. It's about a dream, and it's about the realization of a dream. It's about thinking out of the box, and it's about dare to do things differently. When I was shown to reality, the things that we see in other parts of the world, the inspiring landscape that we hear in other parts of the world, when you are now bring it to your territory, the least you can do as a government is to acknowledge, is to appreciate, and to be a real enabler of those initiatives. So as your governor, I feel truly proud that I've been invited to come and see this masterpiece this evening, and I can assure you this is the beginning of a lot of things that I'm sure is going to be happening at the Makarios Luxury Town, or should we say a city. But truly for us, thank you. But truly for us, it's about being an enabler of a greater thing to happen. Lagos continues to remain home to all of us, but Lagos is also the future that we all aspire for. It becomes a city-state that will indeed want to have its own space in the committee of cities. Lagos is not only growing, it's also a very resilient and a very forward-looking state. And so for us, when we see investment of our citizens, investment also from foreign land coming to the city, we are always very intrigued, and we are always encouraged to support the investment. And so, Pastor Shimolo, I want to commend you. I want to thank you for the vision. I want to thank your entire team for putting this together. I want to say that, luxury living and luxury properties, I'm sure that is still going to come here, will differentiate this place from a lot of other real estate development that are happening along this corridor. And it's not out of place that we say that the Lekki corridor has been in the last 5 to 10 years the fastest growing real estate corridor, not only in Nigeria, but in the whole of Africa. And so to put it here and to begin to use this to celebrate, the development that will come is in truth very inspirational, and I want to thank you for that. And so for all of us, it's really to sit back, let's enjoy it, let's take it in, let's see another freshness of breath of a truly Lagos story. And I want to tell you that Lagos is willing to still take even a lot more because it has the capacity to be able to do it. What has happened here, you can't replicate it in other parts of Lagos, and I'm sure my people in Ekpe are waiting. My people in Badagry want it as well. My people in Ikeja and Alimosho, they want it as well. It shouldn't be only a Lekki or a Lekki flavor. My KBC in Google also says that they also don't mind. So let's sit back, let's enjoy it. The Ministry of Tourism will continue to ensure that Lagos remains a safe, secure, and an investment destination in tourism and everything that has to do with luxury living, and ensuring that government can continue to collaborate with you, can continue to ensure that your investment are in the right place. And as your governor, I'll continue to come around, cultivate, give you all the encouragement, and let business go. Thank you very much. It's been an honor to have you.
Very good speech.
Advisor to the governor. Governor will go. We need some. Ladies and gentlemen, the glory of God. Indeed, a wonderful thing, the world-class water state, and it's not only sweet to the heart, but very much heart. All those words, the very much heart, and how we need opportunity to work to convey and to declare to the public this Makarios Water Fountain show. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Amen. So it's Makarios Water Show. Commission, the glory of God, and the governor, Makarios Olusola Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, in the presence and support of our father in the Lord, Pastor Matthew Olusola, Chairman Makarios Water Fountain Limited, today, Sunday the 9th day of June, 2024. The liaison duplexes and all available for